Last, now everybody go to breakfast.
This lighting is terrible. We're in the new terminal at Newark. They put Bagel, and I've never had it, or we've never had it. So I got a sausage, egg, and cheese, and Anisha got a bacon, egg, and cheese. Here's my sausage, egg, and cheese. Okay, here's the bagel. It smells really good. I'm good.
You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, though. I'm a mind that's with the talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh.
So we just got to the hotel. I'm already changed, and this is our view. Have like private access to the beach, which is really nice. We are about to head to get some lunch because we have not eaten literally all day and I'm starving. So we're gonna go down to the main area and grab some food and then maybe try to head to the beach for a little bit because I think it's like 3 o'clock, so I think we have a little bit of time. We got some grilled crayfish. We gotta try the local food. We're now walking to the beach. It's a golden hour. And we have private beach access, which is really nice. Hi! Trying to get some chairs.
You want to sit? Would you like to sit?
Yeah, just 2 chairs if possible.
Okay.
We are now at the beach. We got some chairs. It's 5:04. You cannot see my phone. It's 5:04. We just finished lunch and we're gonna spend the rest of the day at the beach before we have dinner tonight at the hotel. And I think the restaurant is Italian. I'm not sure. It's a golden hour and the lighting is so nice. It is 7:12. We're going to this Italian restaurant at the hotel. Don't really know what I'm gonna wear. I literally, honestly, when I come to like islands and stuff, I just like to be chill.
But she's from Nicaragua, thought she was Persian love. Are we turning up?
I'm wearing this white top from Tiger Mist and then my skirt. Where did I get that? I think it's also from Tiger Mist. That sounds really basic. But we don't care because I just have my necklace, chrome hearts that I wear every day, and my hoops. I'm honestly really tired. Like the night before last, I didn't sleep much because we got up or we stayed up late packing, and then the next morning we woke up early, and then last night I only got like 5 hours. Oh my god. Wait, I think I just caught a mosquito in my hand. Oh, I just let it out. Fuck. Oopsie. Good morning, guys. We just got up and got ready, and now we are leaving our room. This is what the outside of our room looks like, and I think our breakfast is included in our stay. We are now going to drive in our, we have a golf cart. Here she is. Dimitri's driving. I'm wearing a white tank top and camo shorts and my Prada sandals, and I don't think it looks good together, but it's okay.
Morning.
Morning. It's so bright.
Right.
Pull out to breakfast, guys. We just put on some sunscreen and we're now gonna go in the water. We had some rain earlier, but it blew over, so now it's looking really beautiful outside. And this is kind of what the beach area looks like. They have like all these chairs. And there's a restaurant all the way down the beach called the Cap Shack. My bikini is Kasani swimwear, if you guys are wondering. I'm a big fan of their bikinis. I feel like they have a really good fit. I think we're about to go swim. We've been tanning on the beach for like an hour. And we got these bracelets.
My name is Michael. That's why I do over 17 years. Keep my guests looking so cool, so pretty. Make them looking like a local princess. Put the line on your coconut, baby. All 18, 14, that water keep on your body. You put the line right there, baby.
I'm gonna go put this down so that I can get the water. It is like 4:30. Yeah, it's really windy, and then we had lunch over at that place down the beach. It was really good. I had a fish sandwich with Johnny cake, like bread, which is basically, it's kind of similar to cornbread, but yeah. I'm gonna insert a video right here. I know, nothing.
It's good, guys.
These are my shorts. This is after taking photos. The sun has now set. We're probably gonna go in to shower and get ready for dinner in the next 30 minutes. Yeah, we're going on a boat all day today. This is the boat that we're going on today. Guys, right now we're at Prickly Pear eating lunch. We have some fish coming. I look super red. My eyes are bloodshot. Is it good? Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday and we just got ready and we're about to go to breakfast. At breakfast, I've never filmed at breakfast before. And there's all these little animals. There's like birds down there and fish and other crustaceans. Mr. Coconut Man's gonna give us some coconuts.
Enjoy a stay at Tatiluca, sir?
What was that?
Enjoy a stay at Tatiluca?
Yeah.
Love it?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Once you feel good, I feel good.
Yeah.
Hi guys, so I didn't really vlog much today. It's been a little gloomy, but the sun's finally starting to come out a little bit, and I think I'm gonna go order a drink. They gave out these little like drink samplers earlier. It was like a passion fruit mojito, so I think I'm gonna go order one of those because they were so good. And I usually don't drink in the daytime, but I feel like a drink would be nice right now. And Dimitri's running. I just got my drink. This is the lighting is so bad here. This is a passion fruit mojito. Oh my god. This is a 10 out of 10, guys. so good. I love passion fruit. We're walking to lunch. It's extremely bright outside. Definitely getting burnt right now. Even though I reapplied my sunscreen like 20 minutes ago, I still feel like I'm getting burnt. Hi guys, so right now we're at this beach barbecue that the hotel is hosting.
Contains 4 fish and salad. Very clever.
Hello. Thank you. What's up? Okay.